Having a potluck is the greatest part of the week.
This time I made zucchini fritters with zucchini meatball. I received a huge zucchini from my friends, but no one knows what to make with it. As usual, we decided to draw an egg. That's how I got zucchini fritters with chicken meatball.
I did some research online and found some recipes.
Tender chicken meatball with crispy fritters.
My friend gave me this beautiful giant zucchini that I never seen this size before. Let's see how long it will take to shred it by hand using this giant shredder.
It's a 14-inch long zucchini. Start timing. Wow, it's not easy. Wish me luck. Almost halfway. Well, since my friends torture me with this giant zucchini, I have one fun question for them. How many pounds is this zucchini? Now it's a huge mess, but I'm almost done. Done! It's only 7 minutes. Next, using the cheesecloth and squeeze all the juice out. It's not easy as well. Finally, some juice out. It's a great workout today.
Making a zucchini chicken bowl, we also need other ingredients. Ground chicken, eggs, and the breadcrumb.
Crack 2 eggs. Add all the ingredients. Mix well.
I always forget ingredients. This time is milk.
Yeah, so don't forget add the milk. Well, this tool is not working. Let me try to use the large fork. Well, it's also not working. That's right, I should just use my hand. Well, it's very easy to mix everything well. Looks nice. Time to create my own special spice. Use the scoop to shape the chicken meatball. Bake them for 20 minutes.
Making a zucchini fritters. Besides zucchini, we need flour, eggs.
Crack 2 eggs, add all the ingredients and mix well. Oh, there's a 1 eggshell. That's okay, just take it out. Add a pinch of curry for extra flavor. We all love curries. Time to pan fry the fritters. Here's the answer. The fritter looks golden and crispy. They are almost done.
Everything's ready. I'm going to plate up.
Enjoy the ride. Wow, it's beautiful and delicious. Here is the feedback I received from my friends. The fritter tastes like one type of snack. It tastes very clean and healthy. Another person said it's a little bland.
Hosting a potluck, play a little game creates the best memory for families and friends. I will make more recipes like this. See you next time.